Good morning to all the students of class 8. Today we will we will continue chapter 4 only, and we will study from here. Chadwick discovered neutrons. Okay. Even after the discovery of the protons and electrons, the relative mass of an atom posed a problem. It was Rutherford who thought that there must be another particle in the nucleus of the atom, and the mass of the particle was expected to be the same as that of the proton. From here, then something more. Neutrons and protons present in the nucleus of an atom are called the nucleons. This one is important, and James Chadwick discovered the presence of the uncharged electrons present inside the nucleus of an atom in the year 1932, and he called these uncharged particles neutrons, and the symbol is N, and the value, that means mass, is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, these all are important for your short question, and this one, whatever I have marked, you don't have to read this types. Okay, you have to just read the actual mass and the actual charge. Okay, actual mass you will denote with kg, and actual charge you will denote with coulomb. Okay, so you have to just read that ones. So go to next page and see atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number is defined as the total number of the protons present inside the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number is also known as the proton number. It is represented by the letter Z. And atomic number, whenever I will give the definition of the atomic number, you have to write it with this formula. Okay, you have to write this with the formula. Okay. Now see what is mass number. Mass number of an element is defined as the sum of the protons and the number of the neutrons present inside the nucleus of an atom, and it is represented by the letter A. Again, you have to give the formula, that is mass number equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, and the number of neutrons in an atom can be calculated by subtracting the atomic number from its mass, just like this one. From the atomic number from its atomic number will represent in the denominator, and mass number will be denoted in the numerator. Okay, so next one, see, check one to do it yourself at home. Okay, and see what is isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of the same element which have the same atomic number but different mass numbers, and these all are important for your short question. Okay, next go to properties of an element. Properties of an element is important. Whatever I have marked in the properties of element, just read that part only. The number of the electrons present in all the isotopes of an element is the same, and these isotopes have the same electronic configuration, that is arrangement of the electrons in various energy levels of an element, and the chemical properties of all the isotopes of an element are identical. The chemical properties of an atom of the element depend on the number of the electrons and not on the number of the neutrons. The physical properties of all the isotopes of an element are different. The physical properties of an element depend on the mass of the atom. As the isotopes of an element have different number of neutrons, they have different masses. Okay. Now, what is electronic configuration? The arrangement of the electrons in various energy levels of an element is called the electronic configuration. Now, the maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in any shell of an atom is given by 2n square. It is a formula 2n square. If it is n equals to 1, that means 1 square, 2 into 1 square. If I will give n equals to 5, that means 2 into 5 square, that means 2 into 10. Okay, 20. Just like you have to put the formula and you will get your answer. Here you have to just underline this much portion. Okay, this is all important for short question, nothing else. Okay. Then the valence electrons, and valence electrons are the electrons present in the outermost shell. Outermost shell are called the valence electrons. Okay, we will read up to valence electrons only, and next day we will complete the chapter. Okay, So thank you, students.